the mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a wait upon the gift.
So hey guys, so right now I'm about to make something to eat. Not so much I'm not doing it, bro, but I am about to make something to eat. Yesterday we went to African farmers market and I got me some Indomie. If you don't know what Indomie is, it's like a Nigerian noodle type stuff. I got 3 flavors. This is the beef flavor, this is the chicken flavor, and this one right here is the onion chicken flavor.
Out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away.
Hey guys, so right now I'm kind of like all dressed and stuff, and I'm about to, it's 2:42 right now, so I'm about to start heading out for my driving class and stuff like that, which is by 3, so hopefully I make it on time. And after that, I think we might go to rooms to go, or we might just come back home. So I'll see y'all whenever I pick back my phone up, you know. So yeah.
To me more than you drive. This guy named Dane didn't show up. I don't know if he showed up and saw these people working. Maybe he showed up.
Y'all, why did I come to Goodwill to wait for my mom? And I see they are selling hair. When did they start doing that? Oh my gosh, I can't. I'm done. So y'all, I just left Planet Fitness. I just got registered there. I registered for the high school plan for free. And I will be coming here to work out and stuff like that. So that's that. I'll see y'all. I don't know where we're going to next, but I'll see y'all whenever I pick up Kimber again. on the stove being made and stuff. And right now, I don't really have much to do afterwards because I did plan on 2 weeks ago. But that took a turn. We went to Planet Fitness. I'm registered, and that was how we ended our day. But we did have to go back to Walmart to get another pack of pasta. But other than that, that's what I'm gonna be off of the video. I'm gonna get back with y'all when the pasta is done, and I'm gonna close up the video. And Ross is gonna have to be in another video. But honestly, I hope y'all like the video so far. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Instagram is Cindy the Brat. My TikTok is also Cindy the Brat. My spam page on Instagram is The Brat Spams, and my YouTube page on Instagram is Cindy's File, CINDYFFILES. I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything.
Hey guys, so the food is done. I did show you guys in the previous clip, but hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, you already know the drill. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that little bell so you get notified every single time I post. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'm gonna try to put it here, or if I don't, it's always gonna be down in the description, so make sure you always check my description. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys loved the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.